as an actor, do you think in this era of social media and all, acting has become all about popularity more than talent?
At the end of the day, my hope is that people start talking more about acting and less about Met Gala looks and Cannes look and that look.
I think even casting for that matter, now I feel it's a lot based on kitne followers hai and this person should get the part because oh my god, this person has an Instagram following of 60, 70, God knows how many million followers.
You take these following celebs under your trial, what would you ask them? Deepika.
Every time in intervals that I meet her, her stardom just grows, but she stays as human as possible. So I always wonder, like, how does she manage that?
Imran Hashmi.
How did you think of this kissing thing in every movie?
That's my buddy, Mr. Imran Khan. These days back in action, which I'm very,
Yeah.
very proud of him to get back out there. We've been friends for 22 years, been one of my closest friends. This is from the premiere of Pizza.
Yeah.
He came to support me. This is at a time when I was absolutely a nobody in the industry and he was at his peak.
This was a song I shot with Diljit. I think he's phenomenal. Everybody loves him. I love him too.
This brings a lot of memories because this gentleman right here, Mr. Anil Kapoor, he's kind of seen my growth. He loves acting, he loves actors' journeys, and he celebrates life. So he celebrates people. So I love you, AK sir.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am under the trial of two mad lawyers of OTT space, I can say. Akshay Oberoi, Neha Sharma. Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you
Well,
for having
I think ये mad lawyers का tag अभी लग ही गया है ना जब से
I know.
illegal आया है.
I know.
I would also like to point जब trailer drop हुआ and I was going through the comment sections, एक question था सबका, why returning after 3 years? Why not more early?
Very good question.
Very good
we
question.
have the same question with the
We have the
makers.
same
Maker.
question with the makers. कहाँ है?
3
Samar Khan
साल
कहाँ है?
बहुत लंबा होता है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
We'll make another one sooner.
Yeah, let's make it faster.
Part 2 or season 4, make that soon, please.
Yeah.
No, but going on the storyline, what subject it is touching this time, and how are the dynamics like?
All the cases are different. There are
Mhm.
3 different cases that which we are talking about this season. As always, we have new cases. We're not continuing the same old cases. The characters' journeys that we talk about are all different. I think Akshay's character is going through something. Let me speak about Niharika. I feel Niharika this season has gone into this whole new era. I feel
Yeah.
like she's in the dark zone in a villain era
Yeah.
almost. So I'm like super excited to see how people perceive this new change
Yeah.
and her being this person who is determined that she's gonna get where she wants to.
True.
So it's a whole new level of getting there for Niharika this season.
What about Akshay Jetli?
I feel very similar to Akshay Jetli at times because पहले के 2 season में he was quite naive and he was quite his circumstances were dictating what his behavior was. तो अपनी friend की कदर कर रहा है कहीं, तो एक lover की कदर कर रहा है कहीं, and his father is manipulating, but he's kind of the opposite of it. And I think in the 3rd season, finally दुनियादारी उसको समझ में आ गई थोड़ी बहुत, and he kind of starts taking control of the situation, which leads to other things which I won't spoil. But it was kind of like Akshay Jetli growing up, and I
Yeah.
grew up with him. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I felt that kind of while playing the part this time, I felt a lot of similarity to him.
But I would also point this Akshay कि in real life as well, हमारे interview में you have said कि there are noises always. आपने जो
Yeah.
भी आज तक real life में भी decision लिए है, right?
Yeah.
But in 3rd season, we see you moving away from it.
Yes.
So are you willing to bring that change in real life as well? कि no matter what, I have to do what I want to do.
Yes, I think you said it better than I could ever say it. I think I finally reached a place in life where I don't want to make excuses
Yeah.
for the things I haven't achieved yet and the things I want to achieve. So I can't say like I'm, not good at networking, I'm not good at Instagram, जो मैं अक्सर बोला करता था, and I think those are changes that I have to bring
Yeah.
because I have a certain dream and desire that I have to achieve
True.
in my own journey. So yes, you put it very correctly that I've learned from playing him, from living life, that you have to sometimes take control of your situation.
And जैसे दोनों ही सीजन में there is this word which as a journalist and actors I think हमको hit करता है, publicity. But as an actor, do you think in this era of social media and all, acting has become all about popularity more than talent?
Yeah, and it's also yeah, it's true. So influencers are a thing that
Yeah.
people talk a lot about कि influencers को acting का काम मिलता है, but do they really know how to act? I mean, acting is a
Yeah.
craft that takes years of study and experience and facing the camera and playing different parts
Yeah.
to get to. And वो दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाता है as soon as somebody like that starts acting. But look, at the end of the day, my hope is that people start talking more about acting
Yeah.
and less about Met Gala looks and Cannes look and that look, so
Yeah.
that you can actually start giving the audience a better performance, because the audience is being
Yeah.
cheated time and again, being like, ये
True.
क्या है, तुमने इतना hype किया, सब किया, we're paying to see this thing, so they deserve a good heartfelt performance. And the more we walk away from this and talk more about the external appearance, these things, we will never connect with the audience
Yeah,
like we
true.
used to back in the day. Sorry to elaborate, but
No, but
I just
yeah.
saw some footage yesterday from 1996 ka Oscars. You look at everybody in that, सबके बाल ऐसे लगते हैं, they just walked out of bed and came. Everybody's wearing a black
Yeah.
suit and tie. None of this fancy weird stuff that people are wearing nowadays, like a towel and things like that, just to attract attention. Anyway, the dialogue should go back to focusing on acting. We are actors, so I hope that happens.
But it has happened with you this year, I would say, with
Yeah.
Fighter, The
Yeah.
Broken News
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
I want to ask, how has this year been personally for you, starting on a kick-ass note, and
Yeah.
for Oberoi family overall? Okay, with Vivek ka Indian Police Force trending, Suresh ji ka Animal. How is
Oh.
the environment like in Oberoi household?
Well, unfortunately, we don't meet that often. We're
Yeah.
not that close, unfortunately. I mean, families are families, and अगर मेरा हाथ होता तो कुछ और ही होता, but I don't have that kind of say. So I don't know how they're feeling. I can speak
About
for-
you, yeah.
About me or about themselves, I have no idea. I'm very happy for them. I think both are great actors, and I'm very happy for me. I'm very happy
Yeah.
that I've stuck it out all these years, and I finally got a little bit of what they say your due is. And I hope for more. And
Yeah.
all Fighter has done is made me taste blood, and I want more of it. You know what I mean? Like I tasted commercial success for the first time in
Yeah.
a decade plus years, and I love the feeling of it. I love walking on the streets and somebody says, hey Bashir Mia, kaise ho? It feels really nice.
Bashir and Bash, I mean,
Bash, and I hear it all the time. Anywhere I go, I hear, aren't you Bash? And it just feels so nice. So I want more of it.
Neha, I think I should even ask you this. Do you also feel that it's all about publicity today and the number of following you have rather than the real talent people have?
No, I mean, Akshay said it all now. I can't elaborate any further, but that's true. I feel like there's more, I think even casting for that matter. Now I feel it's a lot based on kitne followers hai and this person should get the part because, oh my God, this person has an Instagram following of 60, 70, God knows how many million followers. But I feel it should go back to where you need to audition, and if you're good, you should get the part, and it should not depend on your social media following.
But talking about your character Niharika,
Hmm.
she is stubborn. She wants what she wants and she can go to any length for it, right?
Yes.
How is Neha Sharma in real life?
I would want things also in life, like
Yeah.
every human being wants. But, there's certain kind of a person who will do anything that it takes. It's a different kind of drive that drives
Yeah.
them. I've been brought up differently. We've
Yeah.
got like my moral high compass or whatever you call it is in a way where, yeah, I want to get there, but I want to get there the right way. I mean, this is
Yeah.
the upbringing I have. So for me, it's like, I'll try my best to get there the right way. If I get there, great. If I don't get there, then I think something better is in store for me. And I
Yeah.
believe in God. I believe that जो लिखा होगा वही होगा और अच्छी चीजें ही होंगी.
But about your character also, what I perceived as a viewer was, just because of a female हो, you are raising your voice, maybe challenges are more for you, right? Purposely कि अरे एक लड़की आवाज उठा रही है, we should make things more tough for her.
I think that's always the case, no? As
Yeah.
women, when we try to raise our voices against anything, because we live in a male-dominated society, so it's difficult to stand up as a woman. But I'm proud of Niharika that
Yeah.
since season 1 that she stood up for the things she believed in, and I want more and more women to support women like that and to support their own voices.
Yeah, you know, like I was researching about you before coming for this interview because I'm meeting you for the first time, I would say.
Yeah, maybe you're meeting for the first time. You and Akshay, I'm sure I've met at many.
Yeah,
Yes.
we have, yeah.
Yes, we have.
Bas wish I could go at his house also, but हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. Next time.
You have worked in Telugu cinema. You have done Tamil films. You have even done an international project as well. Well, how has your experience of all the industries been?
More or less everything is the same.
Yeah.
Because I feel like everybody's here to make great cinema. Everybody's trying their best. थोड़ा बहुत 19-20 का फर्क है in terms of professional attitude towards work, time, backup time and whatever. So here and there a little bit, but I feel overall everybody was trying to make a good film, whether it was Mandarin, whether it was
Yeah.
Hindi, whether it was Tamil, whether it was Telugu, whether it was Punjabi. Everybody were trying to make a good film, and I think that's what connects everything.
Yeah.
So every language I did, I got to meet new people, and it was so fun. But सब same है यार.
Yeah, you know, आपने एक recently picture डाला. You were campaigning for your dad. आपका plans है politics में जाने का?
यार अभी तो dad को support किया था because I, as every daughter would, you are standing up for your parents, helping them in whatever capacity, or he likes it, he feels I'm lucky for him, so I'm there next to him, and I feel proud to be next to him because I think he's a fabulous politician as well as a fabulous father, so I'll obviously be supporting him. So yeah, I felt great, and it was gratifying to meet people one-on-one, to
Yeah.
interact with them, and I enjoyed it. But the later plans we'll talk about it another time.
So before we wrap this up, a quick rapid fire and one more segment I have for you all. So moving on to rapid fire, I'll start with Akshay. A director on your wish list.
Dibakar Banerjee.
One thing about Neha that annoys you the most, and one thing you admire about her.
It's the same thing. It's her dedication to getting the right scene
Yeah.
on any given day that we've shot this show.
One decision of your career you wish you could change today.
I think I would have been more networking and Instagram friendly at the start of my career.
Trolling. If it is considered illegal in the industry, Akshay Jaitley कैसे defend करेंगे?
If it's illegal in the industry
Yeah.
to troll, I would like that, but ऐसे तो होगा नहीं. But I think that trolling is I don't know why people are so angry and then they're hiding
Yeah.
behind laptops and computer screens and all that. Real life में तो nobody would say कि hey तू ऐसा है तू वैसा है, but because your face is hidden, you can write whatever you want. But more power to you. Say what you want.
Okay, if you take these following celebs under your trial, what would you ask them? Hrithik Roshan.
I would ask Hrithik that how did his body bend the way, like when did he first realize he could bend his body in that way that he does?
Deepika.
How does she, like every time in intervals that I meet her, her
Yeah.
stardom just grows, but she stays as human as possible. So I always wonder like, how does she manage that? Tough one.
Randeep Hooda.
Oh man, Randy, I have so many questions for you, my man. But my main one would be, how does he, like, every part he plays, he gets so into that he loses track of every other part of his life. He's that into it, you know. I've seen it personally on Lal Rang. Anybody
Yeah.
who hasn't seen Veer Savarkar, go watch it for that man's performance. Look at Sarabjit. He's the only actor in India that is that invested. There's so many things I'd like to ask him.
Richa Chadda.
No, Riches actually gives me advice for life. So there's nothing that I need to ask her. She calls me and tells me what I need to be doing with regularity. So I would like to just keep it the way it is right now.
Neha Sharma.
Neha. How do you get so many Instagram following? How do you do it? How do
That's
you
even
do
my
it?
question to you, Neha.
How do you do
No.
it? Neha? Teach me the ways.
Yeah, now coming to Neha.
Yes, I'm done.
Yeah. One thing about
There's no hand for
Akshay.
your winning, Akshay.
I would have
But I have something more beautiful than
Oh,
this.
yeah? Oh,
All right.
lovely.
One thing about Akshay you admire and one thing about him that annoys you the most.
That I admire in him, I feel like I think he has a lot of discipline because every time that I see him, he's well taken care of. He takes care of himself, which I appreciate because it's a visual medium. So I like that about him. What I don't like, he can be very annoying when sometimes he says mean things and things that you don't expect him to say. Yes. And he gets away with it.
No, but I have never seen
No?
Akshay in
Oh,
that.
You will get there soon.
I also don't know what you're talking about.
A Bollywood actor you look up to.
Vidya Balan,
If there is an actress you would share screen space with, who would it be?
Actress?
Yeah. Or-
Aisha.
Oh.
It's a very easy one.
Oh, I wasn't
Craziest
expecting
rumor
it.
you have heard about yourself?
All rumors are crazy to a certain
Yeah.
extent, I feel. I don't know. I mean, the craziest haven't come to me yet. Maybe soon.
If Niharika objects trolling in the industry, what would she debate about?
I would just say that I feel like it's not it's not positive in any which way. It's not constructive in any which way. It's hampering people's mental health and hence the physical health also. So I feel like it's pointless. So stop it.
If these celebs are under your trial, what would you ask them? Imran Hashmi.
I know the kissing thing came from Mahesh, but otherwise I would have asked him how did you think of this kissing thing in every movie? But I know it came from Mr. Bhatt, so I
Ram
wouldn't ask
Charan.
him that. How does it feel to go to the Oscars?
Who was it? Who was the guy?
Ram
Ram
Charan.
Charan.
Ram.
Shah Rukh Khan.
I probably will be speechless when I meet him because I will have no questions for him because I totally adore that man.
Anil Kapoor.
I would ask him his secret to youth,
Akshay Oberoi.
his secret to fitness. He's always looking better every time I see him.
Oh, wow, what a compliment.
So
Neha
now,
Sharma से मिला है.
before we wrap up,
Oh,
gifts आप लोगों के.
sweet. Gift.
Memory
Is that a
book.
gift?
This is Akshay's? Oh.
एक एक करके देखना. I'm
अच्छा,
giving
तू
नहीं.
कैमरा पे.
हाँ.
Oh, wow. Wow.
I'll only show the ones I want to show. This
Wow.
is her.
This is my first movie. That is the legendary
I know.
Mr. Suraj Bhardiatia. That is his niece, Vidhi Kasliwal, who directed the film. And that skinny man in the middle is this guy right here. Thank you for sharing this with me. This is very memorable. Yeah, my first movie. All right.
You see yours. Oh,
One
we go
by
on
one.
One by one.
Okay. This was a song I shot with Diljit. I think he's phenomenal. Everybody loves him. I love him too. I think
Music video?
he's
Yeah.
he's gone where nobody would have thought anybody would go. Stadiums full
Yeah.
jate hain. We all love his music. I love the man's courage to be where no one dreamed to be. He's there. So yeah, I love him. This was a music video that we did together in Punjab.
Okay, what's next? Oh, what a great memory. Look at that. That is Fighter. That is the Queen, Miss Madam Deepika Padukone sitting on the back pillion to my bike. That is Mr. Hrithik Roshan and Mr. Karan Singh Grover. And I have no idea how I'm in the center of this. I remember like looking at Sid being like, मैं गलत तुम मुझे बीच में रख रहे हो. This is super fun because this is in Kashmir and we're going down the valley in Pelgam and trying to not slip on that ice. And I'm thinking like, this is the queen. Like मैं मर गया तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है, but ये मर गई तो गया. Like जिंदगी गई. So, and like it was so snowy and icy, but I managed to
But I
also
love
buy-
that song. Huh?
Yeah, I also like
The
it.
cinematography
Beautiful
is
song.
sweet.
Yes.
This one is Mubaraka, one of the funniest films ever. I feel Anis Bazmi just does it in every film. He's hilarious, and I think it was fun. Every time I met a lot of people, they did do Adab Nafisa
yeah.
when the film came out. So yeah, good memories.
Yeah, I like that film.
Your
Oh,
turn.
wait. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. This is एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. This is directed by Shelly Chopra, Vidhu Vinod Chopra's
I love how
sister.
she's got these stills.
I know. This brings a lot of memories because this gentleman right here, Mr. Anil Kapoor, is a man that I've gotten the chance to. He's kind of seen my growth, you know, as an actor. He cast me in a show he produced, Selection Day, and then I did this cameo with him, and then I did a cameo with him in Thar, where I play his boss, and then here I was in Fighter with him. So you know. And he loves acting. He loves actors' journeys. So and he celebrates life. So he celebrates people. So he would always kind of comment on how I've arrived step by step. And to hear that from a senior like him used to make me feel like $1,000,000. So I love you, AK sir. And it's a great memory. And so are the other ones with you.
This makes my heart heavy every time I see this because it's a special song, a special human being. And Siddharth, we all love you and we'll always love you. So I hope you're in a place that you're very happy. Yeah, some really lovely memories and we miss you.
Where was that? Where was that from?
This was Lonavla.
Yeah.
Like during COVID, we shot the song. It was beautiful.
I remember the song. I remember the song.
It's a beautiful love song.
Oof, okay. Oh, all right. I think the people here don't need any introduction. That's Varun Dhawan, Janvi Kapoor, Mr. Shashank Khaitan in between. This is from our, and Manish Paul. This is from our puja for the film, for the announcement of Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari. And I hope that next year, everyone who's a big fan of the leading cast comes out and gives us a chance. And we get to be seen thanks to
Yeah.
these massive stars as well. So, please come and watch it.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is from Jogira, working with Nawaz. Obviously, he's a phenomenal actor. I love him, and I feel like there's so much. I enjoyed shooting for this because the level of acting that this man has is it's at another level. It was like we were just sitting, talking, and film shoot ho gayi. Aisa laga. So I really enjoyed myself, and he's just a lovely human being also. So yeah, these are special memories from a very special film.
That's my buddy, Mr. Imran Khan. These days back in action, which I'm very,
Yeah.
very proud of him to get back out there and to tell his story to people. Because A, it's super inspiring. B, no man shares their vulnerability in public like he has
Yeah.
been recently. So very, very proud of him. We've been friends for 22 years, been one of my closest friends. This is from the premiere of Pizza.
Yeah.
He came to support me. This is at a time when I was absolutely a nobody in the industry, and he was at his peak. So I love you, IK. Thank you.
Last
Nice
one. Yeah.
one. This one is with Bobby.
This is a very comedy film.
I loved the film, and
Yeah.
I'm so happy for him that Animal's done so well now.
What a great dude.
and, Oh
Love
my
Bobby.
god.
Yeah.
I love the fact that finally he's getting the recognition that he deserves. And yeah, this film was so fun. I mean, we
Yeah.
enjoyed ourselves. Shooting in London, cold was amazing. I love the cold. And everybody on set, whether it was Sunny, Bobby, Dharamji, everybody was so fun. And I loved being part of this film. It still is one of the funniest films I've been part of.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, really, you're right. So happy to see Bobby sir the way he is in Animal. It's
Yeah.
exciting. Gives other people hope.
Last picture.
Oh, yo, my family, my favorite two people in the world. My little boy, my wife Jyoti. This is in our house. I can't remember where we were going, but look at his silly little crooked head. Such a cutie. Yeah, nice one. Thank you.
Thank you. Last one.
Me, Imran, as we call him, it's, I mean, this will always be super special because it's my first Hindi film, and
Yeah.
firsts are always super special. Mohit Suri, the Butts, I really appreciate that I got the break without a lot of auditioning and a lot of pain. So yes, I'm forever grateful for this, and I think this was a song that I loved
Yeah.
a lot, and this film has one of the most popular songs that I've
Yes,
had.
totally.
So I think everybody keeps telling me every time they see that, oh, we love that song, we love that
You
song.
on that
so,
motorcycle, I remember quite well.
Yeah.
Even that picture I was
yeah,
about to
so
get.
I'm like, this will always be super special. This is so sweet. I
This
love
is quite
it.
fun. This is quite fun.
Thank
Is it
you
over?
so
It's
much.
over.
Hope
Yeah,
you guys
yeah.
loved these memories.
This
yeah,
was the best segment ever.
It reminds me of everything. Which is
Yeah,
so
it's like
nice.
mapping your journey, and you really pick some
Yeah.
really great ones. I mean, my
Yeah.
family, IK, like, wow, thank you.
Thank you so much for doing this, guys. And waiting for Illegal 3. Please 4th season भी जल्दी लाना.
Yeah.
Make us से
हाँ,
request
मतलब मैं तो सुन रहा हूँ,
करना.
तुम सुन रही हो.
And thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Neha Sharma,
This is Akshay Oberoi,
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Bubble.
Bubble.